Hi everyone, this is Phoebe from Kato Vision. Yeah, we are in InfoComm 2025. Our booth number is 3851. Today I'd like to introduce you our newest and awesome ATM control panel. The model number is KT-KD60. Yeah. So it's all-in-one control panel. This part is for N keys. The N keys functions just like Stream Deck. It can define the buttons for customized functions. Yeah, and this part is for Blackmagic ATM control. So it has total 40 channels input and input. Yeah. So it can support 1 ME to 4 ME. Yeah, it's very useful. And this part is for PDG control. Yeah, if you choose the Visca over IP protocol, then add the camera's IP address, then it can control it very smoothly and very simple. Yeah, the MSRP of this product is only around 3,000 US$. Yeah, if you need more information, please visit our website katovid.com. Thank you.